Did you know a married factory worker once terrorized Germany by drinking his victim's blood? Peter Kürten seemed like any normal man in 1920s Dusseldorf, but behind his calm face hid the mind of a monster. As a child, Kürten suffered horrible abuse that twisted his brain. He grew up to hunt people like animals. Men, women, even children. No one was safe. He would trick them into following him to dark, empty places. Then he would kill them and drink their blood. The worst part? Kürten loved every second of it. During his trial, he smiled as he told the court how much pleasure killing gave him. He even sent letters to the police, making fun of them for not catching him. For years, hundreds of officers searched for the vampire of Dusseldorf. Finally, his own wife turned him in after he confessed to her. At his trial, the whole world watched in horror as he calmly described his crimes. Before his execution, Kürten made one last sick request. He wanted to hear the sound of his own blood flowing when they cut off his head.